What's up, baby gang? It's your boy J-A-V-A. Eugene and Javon in the building.
Eugene and Javon in the building.
It's your girl S-Y-V Shitty and
Boy, I'm gonna knock you out. Anyways, it's your girl Javon, and we are back with another video. So guys, this time we're going to be doing a Would You Rather. What is it? Dirty edition?
Yeah.
Freaky nasty edition?
Dirty edition. So yeah. As you guys see.
Nasty.
Yeah. As you guys see, we did do the what? Oh yeah, come on.
Freak.
Nasty.
Oh my god, I was playing.
Freak. Hey, my man.
I would knock his ass out. I almost went through that wall.
As you guys see, we did the what would we call it now? The clean version.
Clean version.
The clean version. No, we're doing the dirty version. You know what I'm saying? So we got the questions right here. Make sure you got like, comment, subscribe, and
hit that notification bell to be notified each and every time we post a video.
Yeah. Oh, how your day going so far? Your mine's going good. Hers, I don't know.
Mine's going okay because my freaking nail split.
Yeah, she keep wearing fake nails. That's why.
Shut up.
Tell her we don't wear fake stuff.
I don't wear fake stuff either, nigga. This is real.
What's real? This ain't yours.
But it's real.
It ain't go from your head.
But it's real.
It ain't go from your head.
It's human
hair. It ain't go from your head.
It's human hair. That's all I need to know, boo.
Whatever.
Get out of my face. Now, come on.
You look fake.
You look fake. Oh. That's you a clown.
Alright. Who going first?
Me. I'm gonna go first.
Alright, you go first.
So, guys, my first question is.
Bro, don't ask me no gay questions right now. I already know you already, guys. I already know her already.
Okay, if you were to have sex with a guy, would you rather sleep with Justin Bieber or Nick Jonas?
I ain't answering that. I already knew you finna answer that. I already knew you
No,
finna
you
answer
gotta
that.
answer it.
Alright, my answer is neither.
No, you can't say neither.
It is neither.
You can't say neither.
Neither.
You can't say neither. You gotta say either Justin Bieber or Nick Jonas.
I have sex with Justin Bieber girlfriend, whoever she is. Yeah, how about that?
No.
I'm over here.
No, either Justin Bieber or Nick Jonas. Get your ass.
Talking about neither. No, neither.
Okay, would you rather give oral sex or get oral sex? Would you rather give or get it?
Neither.
Why neither?
I'm not doing neither of that. But I fuck nobody.
The fuck are you talking
You
about?
see me? No. Why put that question there?
It said, would you give oral sex or get oral sex? Give it or give it? I mean, get it.
You know.
Ah! Do that shit.
That's my
I'm
question.
knock him out.
That's my.
Stop you yanking my fucking head like that. Okay, your turn. Here.
You know.
I'm about to cut your shit off. Keep playing with me. Then you ain't gonna have nothing that to be hopping around with.
Alright, my turn.
You clown.
Okay.
My head hurt now.
During sex, would you rather be blindfold or be handcuffed?
I say blindfold, not handcuffed, because I don't like to be restricted.
Man, I said neither. You ain't finna handcuff me. I'm not finna be blindfold either.
Why? I
'Cause
think blindfold people during sex, they close their eyes to imagine the sex.
Well, that's because we blindfold when you have sex, because most people close their eyes, so.
Exactly, so that's why I rather be blindfolded.
I'll go as blindfold, but you're not finna handcuff.
Okay, would you rather have a threesome with your girlfriend and her sister, or your girlfriend and your cousin?
Wait. What?
So would you rather have a threesome with me and my sister, or with me and your cousin? Confused.
What kind of random question is that?
Mm-hmm.
Would you rather have sex? Basically, with your sister and my cousin?
Mm-hmm. Would you rather your cousin see your stuff or my sister?
Bro, that's disrespectful either way I go. God damn. Damn. God damn, what do I mean? I don't know, I'm gonna go with sister because I'm gonna go with sister.
So you rather my sister see your junk?
Shit, that shit.
What?
Huh?
What?
What?
What'd you say?
What happened?
Repeat it.
Repeat what?
Repeat it. I ain't said in my good ear.
Oh, I said I'm gonna go with the first one when we say your sister. You know what I'm saying? Because you know what I'm saying that's not. Damn, but come to think of it, I don't know.
That's nasty.
I don't know.
Okay, your turn.
I don't know, boy. You
I don't
give me
know.
all these weird questions, man.
Because I want to see your answer.
What?
Stop playing with me.
Would you rather eat a P-U-S-S-Y or finger a P-U-S-S-Y?
So, y'all, he said like that because I don't like that word. The P word.
Oh, it's the best thing. Would you eat a vagina or would you finger a vagina?
Finger.
You finger?
I'm not putting my mouth down there on nobody.
Okay.
I'd rather put my finger in there and keep moving. Okay, during sex, would you rather be submissive or dominant?
Elaborate your question for me, please.
So submissive is
Go into details for me. I'm gonna spell the words that you just said. Elaborate for me. Put it into summaries. Put it into sentences, parentheses.
Shut up! You so goofy, man. Ugh. Okay, so submissive is basically like I'd be like, say my name, beg for me, stuff like that, and then you'd be like, shy.
Oh
Yeah.
hell no!
Like, yes, mommy, do it again.
Hell no!
And dominant is basically like,
No.
yeah, do what I say.
Yeah. Yes,
do
ma'am.
what I
Yeah.
say.
Yeah, I'll do that. I
You so
I
retarded.
ain't do the first one though. No,
I'd rather be dominant because I like to take control of my life. No, I'm playing.
like take control.
I'm submissive on some levels.
Would you rather use ice cubes or whipping cream during sex?
I think ice cubes really like intensifies everything. You know what I mean? Like being shocked, like. But whipped cream is just plain,
Just plain,
just decorations. I say ice.
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 Okay.
Ice.
There you go, guys.
baby.
Use ice.
Would you rather walk in on your parents making love or be caught making love? So would you rather sing?
I'd rather be caught making love.
So I know you lying.
I'd rather be caught making love. I ain't finna walk in on that. No. I'm finna eat that baby.
I'm gonna put it in here so y'all can see what he's talking
I'm
about.
finna eat that baby.
Yeah. I mean, you play too much. Hey, for real?
Yeah,
You rather them catch us?
Huh?
You rather them catch
Ain't gonna
us?
be you.
Stop. Stupid. You get on my nerves.
Okay, I know this is a question for me, but what would you do then?
I think. I don't know, because I feel like they're old already, so I'd rather see my parents. Like, I'd rather just walk in 1 second on my parents and then run the hell back out.
Okay. Would you rather take off your partner's underwear with your teeth or tease them with your tongue till they take off their underwear?
Would I rather take off my partner's underwear with
With
my
your
teeth?
teeth. Or tease them with your tongue till they take off their underwear?
Tease them?
You tease them till they take it off?
I think so.
So when you tease them, exactly tease them, you doing what? Sexual stuff? Like you doing freaky stuff, whatever?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Like, I'll do this.
Oh yeah, you got it up. Yeah, she.
You know what I'm gonna do? We should did this bit right here. Would you rather be with someone who comes too quickly or someone who never makes you come?
I would be with someone who comes too quickly because if it's a female, you can keep going. Okay, would you rather have loud and rough sex while your grandparents were in the very next room, or while your parents are in the very next room?
Parents.
Parents?
I say parents because they're still like kinda in the, out there or whatever, you know, experiencing sex and everything, but your grandparents is a whole nother level. Like, that's on some disrespectful stuff. If you having sex while your grandparents is in the living room, that is disrespectful and that is nasty as hell. So I would say parents. I would rather my parents be in the next room and hear me having sex than my grandparents. Would you rather have sex missionary style or doggy style? I think missionary is like face to face, maybe. I think you like missionary.
Missionary. I don't know. I like both.
You like both?
Yeah. I do both. It don't matter.
Me personally, I like doggy.
Like,
I like doggy.
you like woo woo woo.
I like doggy style.
Skirt skirt.
That's TMI. Okay,
All right,
wait,
guys.
find a real nasty one.
This the real nice one. I have to hold on. I have to go through all this shit. Then that's fine. That's okay. This is the last question. Well, I don't know if you want to do a bonus round, but this is my last question for me. I don't know if you want to do one more. It said, would you rather have sex with a handsome person that isn't good at sex, or an unattractive person that is great in bed?
Unattractive.
Unattractive?
Yeah. I think, I don't know, because I don't really like cute. Like, I like handsome guys, of course. Handsome, but not the ones that's like overly gorgeous or whatever. Like,
Meaning he's gonna attract like a female or something like that?
yeah.
Okay.
I don't want none of that. You can have all that over there. Because I only know a guy feeling like he's more prettier than me. Period, poo. What you think?
What? You just say?
Question.
I'm not answering that question.
Y'all say I'm not answering that question. Babe, just put as a girl.
I'm not answering that question. I'm still gonna feel weird answering it.
No, it's not, babe. You
I'm
just
still
said
gonna feel
girl.
weird. I can do all the work. You know what I'm saying?
What?
I can.
No. Oh.
I can.
No, he cannot. Nah. Let me down.
I can do all the work. You know what I'm saying? I can do all the work. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
I hate you. Shit. Oh.
Hey, this show should be when we done cracking it up.
You annoying. You clown. Alright guys, we about to end this video. So, babe, come on, close the side. No, not like. Ow!
Alright guys, what end this video right here?
Stop!
Yeah guys. You want to appreciate you guys so oh.
Ow, ow, ow.
By the way.
Ow, ow.
Alright guys. Appreciate you guys for showing us love and support so far. You know what I'm saying? We're trying our best to bring you guys great content. Hope you guys like it. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. And let me catch my breath.
Don't step on me.
Subscribe as many times as you want. What else? You got anything to say?
No.
She tired down there. We ain't even start yet. But you guys, thanks for all the support you guys have given us so far. We really appreciate it. So we're gonna go ahead and end this video right here. Have a good day. Have a good day.
Peace.
Yeah, bye.